We have anger now brewing over IAS trainee Pooja Khedkar. Now, new video that surfaced of Pooja's mother, where she's holding a pistol in her hand, threatening a farmer. Pooja's parents allegedly tried to encroach farmland, and when objected, her mother reached with bouncers and a pistol in her hand, threatened the farmers, asking the farmers to toe the line, saying that no matter he's rich or poor, rules remain the same. Pooja is accused of faking disability certificates, saying that she is basically mentally ill. She also got in through the visually impaired category and also faked her OBC income status, claiming that she comes from OBC non-creamy layer, basically calling herself underprivileged and why she should be given an opportunity in the UPSC, subsequently rising up to become an IAS officer with all flawed, fake details that she's provided. We know that this issue only escalated because Pooja made some incorrigible demands, a list of which include, of course, a VIP red beacon on her car, which is not allowed. In fact, it's a crime to have one. And a cabin, a peon, a bouncer, and whatnot. Also asked for an accommodation. The government now has formed a panel to probe into Pooja Khedkar's credentials, the certificates that she's given while entering UPSC. Her candidature is now going to be checked, and a decision will be made based on a report in 2 weeks' time to see if she will continue as an IAS officer or will be shunned.
I am not authorized to speak anything in this matter. मी तुम्हाला कालही तीच गोष्ट सांगितली होती that I am not permitted to speak on these matters.
IAS अफसर पूजा खेड़कर का मामला बहुत ही गंभीर है। आदरणीय मोदी जी की सरकार में स्वयं मंत्री तक अपने कार पर लाल बत्ती नहीं लगाते। इस प्रकार से अफसर ने अपने गाड़ी पर लाल बत्ती लगाना यह एक अच्छा संदेश नहीं है। महाराष्ट्र की सरकार ने तुरंत कार्रवाई की, पुलिस उसके घर पहुंचे हैं। सामने और भी कुछ गंभीर बातें आ रही है, उसकी भी जांच होगी, किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा।
A probationary IAS officer, Pooja Khedkar, came into controversy when she started demanding extra privileges from the collector of Pune. Right now, I'm standing in front of her luxurious bungalow, which is locked right now, and the board of her Khedkar has been removed by the family. But the car which Pooja used to use in the collectorate office, an Audi card on which Maharashtra government board was written, and the red siren she used to put on that car has been removed by the Pooja. Question remains same. Now she has been deputed. She shifted to the Washim district. She'll work as an assistant probationary collector over there. But still, investigation should be there, and the whole matter should be crystal clear soon. With camera person Gopal Harne, this is Omkar Vable, Pune, India Today.
Now, brazen power trip that we've seen IAS trainee Pooja Khedkar is on. She's sparked this national outrage with her behavior. IAS trainee is accused of not only faking her disability certificate and skipping medical tests for the same, but also faking her OBC non-creamy layer status to crack the highly coveted civil services exams. Pooja is also under radar for her VVIP demands. Did the IAS officer really rig the system to get up there? Have a listen.
After the massive NEET scam row, now questions over UPSC exams that pick India's future bureaucrats, diplomats and police officers. Dr. Pooja Khedkar, an IAS probationer posted in Pune, has been transferred to Washim for alleged misuse of power. The transfer comes after Khedkar made news for seeking unauthorized privileges, such as using a private Audi car equipped with a red-blue beacon and VIP number plate and displaying a Maharashtra government board on her personal vehicle. Khedkar allegedly made demands for an official car with a VIP number plate. accommodation, and an official chamber, which were against the protocol for probation officers. The officer is now embroiled in a bigger row after RTI activist Vijay Kumbhar claimed irregularities in her selection in UPSC exams. According to the activist, Khedkar allegedly submitted fake disability and non-creamy layer OBC certificates to clear the civil services examination. Khedkar claimed to be from non-creamy layer when her father, Dilip Khedkar, in 2024 Lok Sabha election affidavit listed assets valued at 40 crore rupees.
उनके पिताजी का जो एफिडेविट इलेक्शन कमीशन में है, उसमें उन्होंने अपने संपत्ति करीबन 40 करोड़ दिखाई है। अगर जिनके पिताजी की संपत्ति 40 करोड़ है, उनको नॉन क्रिमिनल सर्टिफिकेट मिल कैसे सकता है?
Pooja Khedkar declined to comment on the charges being leveled against her.
मला ऑथरायझेशन नाही आहे ह्याच्याबद्दल काही बोलण्यासाठी.
नाही पण आपल्या घरी
तुम्ही मला
आष्टा
ते
करा
विचारू नका.
आपल्या घरी पोलीस गेलेले आहेत
आय हॅव नो आयडिया. मला प्लीज विचारू नका ते. मी आता इथे आहे. लेट मी डू माय वर्क.
Allegations of irregularities in the selection of Pooja Khedkar could hit the credibility of the civil services exams if the loopholes are not plugged soon. Bureau Report, India Today.